We're developing an archives that will sit for the next generations. It's important to do that type of work. In the past, that type of work hasn't been done.
As part of the mission and vision of the Resource Center, we want to focus on what we call Minobima-Diziwin. And Minobima-Diziwin is making sure that our people live a complete and fulfilling life.
It's called the River Song. It belongs to my community. Everybody has a teacher. You need to find them. So when I sing this song, think about that.
The importance of the right to language, culture, history, identity. And so that's why we have the Resource Center. And that's why we have the Research and Development Unit, is to look at how do we create a better future for all of our people.